a class 10th NCERT chapter 4 quadratic equation exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.1 we have learned how to make an quadratic equation. Their solution is not required. In this exercise we are going to solve the quadratic equation. Whenever it is a quadratic equation, why it is a quadratic equation? Because this equation highest power is 2, that is a degree is 2, therefore this is a quadratic equation. Since it is a quadratic equation, after solving the equation there will be two values of x because the degree is 2. So first equation, for solving the quadratic equation you can take any of the two method. One is which we dealt in the lower standard, that is by the middle term. By the middle term, when it is middle term is not possible, we can go by the formula. If the middle term is possible also, we can go by the formula also. But in exercise 4.2, first we are going to solve by the middle term. Find the root of the following quadratic equation by factorization. By factorization, it means that by the middle term. Question number 1, Roman number 1, x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. We have to find the value of x, means we have to solve this equation. Exercise exercise 4.2. Question number 1, Roman number 1. X square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Compare with the general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How are we going to take the value of a and c? What is the a? Coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square a 1, coefficient constant, that is 10. Only the number, not the sign. So 1 into 10, that is 10. Now find the prime factorization of 10. 5 2s are 10. We need 3 and we have to make it 3 by the subtraction. How I know this is by the subtraction? Check the sign of the constant. When the sign of the constant is positive, we have to make this middle number by the if the sign of the constant is positive, then we have to make the middle number by the adding. If the sign of the constant is negative, we have to make this number by the subtraction. Here it is a negative, so we know that we have to make it 3 by the subtraction. So 5 minus 2, that is 3, we already got. So x square minus 3x, okay, 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Instead of 3, it will be 5 minus 2. X square bracket 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3, x minus 10 equal to 0. X square multiplied, it will be minus, plus into minus, minus 5x, x will come along with it, minus into minus plus, there will be 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now make it pair from here, x is common, another is x left, minus x gone, 5 is left, plus from here 2 is common, x minus 5 2s are 10. These two have to be equal. So write the equal first, x minus 5, another is x plus 2. Now either or, since there is space, so I am going to do it either, that is x minus 5 is equal to 0, that is x equal to 5, or that is x plus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. So we got the value of x, therefore x equal to 5, another is x equal to 5, another is 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 states that x square 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Question number Roman number 2. Roman number 2, a question that is 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Take the a and c. So, a2 and 6, how much? 12. 12, that is 12. Prime factorization 12, 3, 4 are 12, 2, 2. We have to make it by the subtraction. Here is a minus sign, so we have to make 1 by subtraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3. So, 2x square instead of 1 plus 4 minus 3, x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x square plus it will be 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Here 2 is common, 2x common, it will give x plus 2 2s are 4. Here minus 3 is common, x 3 2s are 6 plus into minus minus. The middle is same, x plus 2, another is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now go for either or, since there is space I am dealing with this side, writing this side either. That is x plus 2 is equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2, or 2x minus 3 equal to 0, that is 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 and 3 by 2. X equal to minus 2 and another is 3 by 2. Next question, Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is a little bit complicated. Here it is given in the form of square root. Roman number 3, it is given root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. Since it is in the form of square root, this is Roman number 3. Roman number 3, quotient root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. Multiply a and c. A is how much? Root 2. C is 5 root 2. So, root 2 into 5 root 2. It will be 5 root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So, 5 into 2, that is 10. 10. So, prime factorization of 10, 5 2s are. We need 7 by addition. 5, 6, 7. Why it is addition? Here the sign is positive. So, 5 plus 2, it will give 7. Root 2 x square plus it will be 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 x plus 5 root 2. So, it will be root 2 x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2. Instead of root 2 is equal to 2. So, instead of 2, we will write root 2 into root 2, because we have to take the common. Here x is common. So, it will be root 2 x plus 5 plus, okay, from here first write it root 2 into root 2 x plus 5 root 2. Take it common, it will as it is x root 2 x plus 5 plus root 2 is common. So, root 2, it will be root 2 x plus 5. Write the same first, root 2 x plus 5, another is x plus root 2, either or. So, it will be either root 2x plus 5 equal to 0, it will be root 2x equal to minus 5 plus will become minus x equal to 5 minus 5 root 2. 1 we got another. So x or x plus root 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus root 2. Therefore, x is equal to, we got minus 5 by root 2 comma another is minus root 2. Roman number 3 complete. Roman number 4. Roman number form, it is given in a form of fraction. First we have to remove the fraction. Whenever to solve the quadratic equation, we cannot give it in the form of fraction. That is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Roman number 4. Question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. First remove the fraction. Make it, okay, next line, 2x square, every number make it fraction, divided by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Take the LCM will be 8. 8 divided by 1, it will give 8, 8 into 2, 16, minus, if 8 divided by 1, you will get 8, 8x, plus 8 divided by 8, 1, 1 into 1, 2, 1, equal to 0. Take the 8 that side, so it will give 16 x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0, divided will be multiply by 8. 16 x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we got the general quadratic equation. Now we can solve it. What will be here? Here is 1 constant, the number 16. 16, prime factorization is 16. 16, 2, 8 2s are 6, 2, 4 2s are 8, 2, 2, 8 by addition. Here is the plus, so we have to make it by addition. Check the sign, here is plus, so we have to make the 8 by addition. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 4. 16 x square minus, bracket 4 plus 4 x plus 1 equal to 0. 16 x square minus 4 x plus into minus 4 x plus 1 equal to 0. 4 is common, x also common, so it will give 4x minus 1. Here minus 1 will be common, so it will be 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 1, which is similar, here also again it became similar. So either or, since there is space, it will get either. 4x minus 1 equal to 0, it will be 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. Or 4x minus 1 equal to 0, 4x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. This is the answer. Question Roman number 4 complete. Roman number 5. That is 100x square minus 20 plus 1. 100x square minus 20 plus 1. Roman number 5. Roman number 5, the 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. A how much? 100. C equal to 1. 100 into 1, 100. Prime factorization of 100. So prime factorization of 100, 5. 5 2s are 10. 5, 2 into 2, we have to make 20 by addition. Here is the plus, there by addition. 5 to 10, 5 to 10, 10 plus 10, 20. So it will be 100 x square minus, instead of 20 it will be, or we have to make 25 to 10, 5 to 10, 10 plus 10, x plus 1 equal to 0. 100 x square, plus into minus, minus 10x, plus into minus, minus 10x, plus 1 equal to 0. 10x is common, it will give 10 into 10, 100. So 10 gone, more 10s, x already gone, minus this one, 10x already gone, it will be 1. Here minus 1 will be common, there will 10x plus into minus, minus into minus plus, so it will be minus 1 equal to 0. So 10x minus 1, which one is similar, which one is unsimilar? 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Either or, either 10x minus 1 equal to 0, 10x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 10, or same 10x minus 1 equal to 0, 10x is equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 4 or 1 by 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 10, comma 1 by 10. So now question number 2. Question number 2. Solve the problem given in example 1. It is given in example 1, we have to solve it. It is a word problem. Question number 2, there is example 1. Oh, which one is the example 1? Example 1. In example 1, there are 2 questions. The first one is, represent the following situation mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Total how many marbles? 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles. And the product of the numbers of the marbles by now is 124. Means after losing, they will multiply the product of the 2%, the marbles will be 124. What would we found? We would like to find out how many marbles had to start with. Means total we have 45. So first person I don't know how much, second person also I don't know how much. So for the first person, we are going to consider as a x. So from the total we know that total is 45. So one person have x, so another person will have x 45 minus x, then only we will get a 45. So we are going to consider the number. So let John have what x marble.